Hey guys, I'm Christy with WTI. Call me crazy, but there's a few details in my home I need to look uniform, and that includes having matching soap dispensers in the same bathroom. So I found this set of foaming hand soap dispensers from UUJOLY, and now regardless of the brand of soap I purchase, my husband and I's dispensers match and I'm happy. I chose these because they look like amber glass, but they are plastic. Even though these are for our master bath, I do have two young boys that will often use our bathroom, and I don't trust them with anything that's breakable. Plus, you're not gonna have any kind of rings on your sink from rust. Another detail I like is that the nozzle rotates 360 degrees, so you can center it with the bottle. Not all soap dispensers are like that. Can you guys tell I might have a little OCD? So these are really cute, they're functional, and now the soap dispensers and our master bath match, and my matchitis is happy. And that's my point of view.